In today's interconnected world, a company's success is deeply intertwined with the reliability and quality of its suppliers. That's why supplier qualification is so critical. It's the process of evaluating and approving potential suppliers to ensure they meet your organization's specific requirements and standards. But why is it so important? Mitigating risks. Supplier qualification helps minimize potential disruptions to your supply chain, such as delays, quality issues, or even ethical concerns. Ensuring quality. It guarantees that the goods or services you receive meet your quality standards, which directly impacts your own products and reputation. Cost efficiency. A reliable supplier can help you avoid costly problems down the line, such as product recalls, rework, or customer dissatisfaction. Regulatory compliance. In many industries like pharmaceuticals and food, supplier qualification is a regulatory requirement. Building strong relationships. The qualification process can foster open communication and build stronger, more collaborative relationships with your suppliers. The supplier qualification process typically involves several key steps. Supplier identification. The first step is to identify potential suppliers who can meet your needs. This might involve market research, referrals, or industry databases. Initial screening. This involves a preliminary assessment of potential suppliers based on factors like their experience, financial stability, certifications, and overall reputation. Questionnaire or self-assessment. Suppliers are often asked to complete a detailed questionnaire or self-assessment form. This document covers various aspects of their business, including their quality management system, production capabilities, and adherence to ethical and environmental standards. On-site audit. For critical suppliers, an on-site audit may be necessary. This allows you to directly assess their facilities, processes, and quality control measures. Sample evaluation. Requesting and evaluating samples of the goods or services is crucial to ensure they meet your quality specifications. Contract negotiation. Once a supplier is qualified, you'll negotiate a contract that outlines the terms and conditions of your agreement, including quality requirements, delivery schedules, and pricing. Ongoing monitoring. Supplier qualification isn't a one-time event. It's essential to continuously monitor supplier performance and periodically reevaluate their qualifications. Key factors to consider during supplier qualification include quality management system. Does the supplier have a robust quality management system in place, such as ISO 9001 certification? Production capacity and capabilities. Can the supplier meet your volume requirements and production timelines? Financial stability. Is the supplier financially stable and able to meet your needs in the long term? Technical expertise. Does the supplier have the technical expertise and resources to provide the goods or services you require? Regulatory compliance. Does the supplier comply with all relevant regulations and industry standards? Ethical and environmental standards. Does the supplier adhere to ethical business practices and environmental regulations? Communication and responsiveness. Is the supplier responsive, communicative, and easy to work with? By implementing a rigorous supplier qualification process, companies can build a reliable supply chain, minimize risks, ensure quality, and foster strong long-term partnerships with their suppliers. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.